Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and app so tracking works reliably. Make sure iOS is current and health permissions are granted. Without motion and fitness, access your steps and workouts won't record. Next, open Fitness, tap your profile, and set activity ring targets for move, exercise, and stand. Once done, confirm location and Bluetooth are enabled. Now you're ready to begin a workout. Pick a target or a free session and proceed to connect sensors. You now focus on configuration and mid-workout options so data is accurate. Pair your Apple Watch or a Bluetooth heart rate strap and verify the device appears in fitness. Then choose the workout type, outdoor run, HIIT, or strength, and customize displayed metrics like pace, heart rate, cadence, and calories. Set intervals or repetition counts if needed, enable GPS and auto pause for stops, and pick audio guidance or a music playlist. Once configured, tap Start and begin with a confident cadence. You finish by saving and inspecting results so progress stays meaningful. When you stop, tap End and save, then review the summary, time, distance, calories, heart rate zones, and splits to understand performance. Once saved, trends and weekly summaries update. Make a habit by setting reminders and enabling coaching notifications. If anything looks wrong, first check health and fitness permissions, confirm Bluetooth and location access, and restart the app or phone. Doing that fixes most missing data issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.